Uh-huh, honey.
Good morning. I'm going to get my hair done. We can't stop for breakfast. Oh shit. Okay, I just arrived and the parking situation is I guess because it's Sunday morning and it's literally like no fucking parking. But I found some parking. I'm honestly glad that it's Sunday because I don't have to pay for it, but it's just like, god damn. Let me walk. So I'm here at the salon. It's about 10:30. We didn't start yet. When I came in, she was washing and blow drying someone's hair. So that's probably the sound you hear in the background. I'm supposed to be getting something called Glamour. I don't know, it just fell. Glamour Locs. Last time I tried Locs, they literally unraveled in less than 5 hours. So I'm really excited. I'm going to Glamour Bar. Glamour. Hold on, let me tell you the name of it right now. Glamour. I looked at this freaking account so many times. Yeah, I think I will know the name off the top of my head. Glamour Queen Hair. Tiffany has an appointment. Hi guys, so this is the finished result. I love my hair. Let me just say that. It's not often that I get my hair done. You guys know I'm a DIY, do it myself, watch YouTube videos, figure out how to do it. But I am in absolute love with my hair. It's nothing like sitting down in the salon, chilling, and just having somebody else do all the work. So the girls over at Glamour Queen Hair, Glamour Hair Queen, Glamour Hair Queen, yes, Glamour Queen Hair, Glamour Queen Hair. The girls over at Glamour Queen Hair styled this. I did originally go in for Glamour Locks, but you know, I just had to, boho it up. So these are the boho locks. So let's talk about my experience. So when I got there, I had an appointment for 10. We did not start on time, which is a little unfortunate, but it's not, I don't want to say it's not expected, but we did start about an hour after my appointment time, which is okay. The style itself took some time. It took about 6 hours. I started at like 11:30, and I can't remember what time I left, but I know I got home in time for my class, and I stopped for some Wendy's. So you have to clear your schedule, which is expected when you go and get your hair in these types of styles. Box braids, twists, they do take time. Especially, I didn't realize how much really goes into locks. You have to braid it, then you have to wrap the hair individually, adding the curls, adding the cool accessories. It all takes time, so it's expected. Clear your schedule. So I did have 2 ladies working on my hair, Siobhan and Olivia. Olivia is the owner. You know, the time went by fast. They had some funny Nigerian movies playing, which was hilarious, and the time went by fast. I didn't even realize how late it was, but I love my hair. And I'm so surprised. You know how when you get your hair braided, you expect it to be like tender. There's no tension. No tension. Like, soon as I left the salon, I was able to put it up into a bun because it was raining and I just wanted to push my hair back and put it in a try to tuck it under my hood. So I was able to put my hair up and out of the way, and it does not feel tight. It is so comfortable. There is literally no tension, and it's super lightweight. Like, I expected it to feel heavy, but super lightweight. So I cannot wait to see how long this lasts. She said it should last. It can last up to 3 months. She's seen people go longer, but 3 months is kind of the cutoff. But I can't wait to see how long it actually lasts. I'm super excited about trying my hardest to keep it in as long as possible to maintain some growth. And they said I saw 2 girls come in. One girl come in to get it retouched, and it looks so natural. Like, you would have thought she had real dreads in her hair. So the older it gets, the more realistic it looks. So I'm super excited. I've been fiending for some locks. So thank you guys over at Glamour Hair Queen. I'm gonna get it together. Thank you guys over at Glamour Hair Queen. It's really appreciated, and I'll keep you guys updated with the maintenance and how long it lasts, and I'll put all the information in the description bar as well as their booking site, and I'll see you guys next time.
Got beef and broccoli. Got tracksuits, broccoli. Got swipes, hoes, not me. Birds in the trap line, birds on the phone. Birds in the coop with that hookah and Patron. Birds in the trap line, birds on the phone. Bitch, I'm a bird.